Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Small spaces call for small devices. That's where mini PCs come in handy, seeing you through your PC needs without taking up too much room. A desktop PC setup, after all, does take up some space on top of the computer itself. You have to have a monitor and all the other necessary accessories. And sometimes, you must minimize where you can. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of mini gaming PC on the market.
Number 1.
Newest 11th General Intel Celeron Jasper Lake N5105 quad-core CPU, up to 2.9 GHz. Compared with Gemini Lake KAMRUI Mini PC with high-speed 16GB DDR4, built-in 512GB M.2 2280 SSD. 16GB of RAM memory makes your entire system speedy and responsive. KAMRUI Mini computer comes with Intel Graphics 800, supports HD, 3840x2160, 4K at 60 GHz 3-screen display 2x HDIMM plus VGA. KAMRUI microcomputer comes with Gigabit Ethernet supports, 2.4G plus 5.0G dual bandwidth and Bluetooth 4.2.
Number 2.
The KAMRUI AMR5 Mini Gaming PC features AMD Zen 3 Ryzen 5 5600U with 6 cores and 12 threads, with a base frequency of 2.3 GHz and max turbo frequency up to 4.2 GHz. AMR5 Windows 11 Pro desktop PC integrates AMD Radeon Vega 7 1800 MHz GPU to deliver powerful graphics processing power. Mini computer comes with up to 16 GB of DDR4 and a transfer speed of 2666 MHz makes it more responsive to your commands. The built-in 512G storage is enough to accommodate system files and massive games, excellent reading and writing speed greatly shortening your boot time.
Number 3.
Blackview MP60 Mini PC measures only 5 in x 5 in x 2.1 in. You can be easily placed in crowded workstations or small spaces. Blackview Mini Computers adopts Intel Celeron processor N5095. CPU speed arrives 2933 MHz, with the latest operation system Windows 11 Pro and Intel UHD graphics, 750 MHz, handles like browsing internet, reading email, editing documents, home office, and more with ease, even for professional uses like photos editing, with the user experience close to a desktop computer. Blackview Mini desktop computer with high-speed 8GB DDR4 RAM and built-in 256GB M.2 2280 SSD, booted up in seconds, runs more smoothly. Mini gaming PC with Intel UHD graphics 450 MHz, burst frequency 750 MHz, shared graphics works well for 4K, 60 Hz, video, playing game and editing graphics.
Number 4.
Support Intel Optane memory processors, highly adaptively accelerate your computer performance, make your daily use faster, smoother and easier. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 discrete graphics W/6GB GDDR6. RTX 2060 has new performance upgrades, ray tracing, more realistic game graphics, 6GB GDDR6 large video memory supports higher resolution. Intel Wi-Fi 6AX201, 802.11ax 2x2 2.4 gigabits per second plus Bluetooth 5.2, with internal antennas. Intel Nuke Enthusiast. Our smallest mini PC for gaming, powerful performance, rich interface. Cool appearance, supports vertical placement, effectively saving desktop space.
Number 5.
Powerful performance, the Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition gaming desktop PC was designed to empower gamers seeking computer and graphics horsepower with 12-core AMD Ryzen processors. Overclockable DDR4 memory. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 10GB GDDR6X graphics. 1TB M.2 SSD, boot, plus 2TB 7200 RPM SATA 6 GB per second, storage 32GB dual channel DDR4 XMP at 3466 MHz memory. Liquid cooling with clear side panel.